today I want to share with you guys how to make 5 different kinds of toners using natural ingredients. Hi guys, how are you doing? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm so excited to be here today. As usual, we're talking about the skin. Every time I come here talking about skincare and natural products and home remedies, I'm always a kinda super high on, endorphins, no, dopamine, no, serotonins, I'm not sure, just one of those happy hormones. And today I want to share with you guys how to make 5 different kinds of toners using natural ingredients. And the best part is that you don't need like a million of them. Each remedy has like 2 ingredients, 1 ingredient, 3 ingredients. It is simple and to the point, and they actually work. Okay, so that's the most amazing part. And the best thing about natural remedies is that you don't expect any side effects. Yes, you perform a skin patch or something to test whether it goes with your skin or it irritates your skin, but then other than that, you don't expect any side effects. The thing with toners is that once you cleanse your face and scrub your face, you leave your pores open and you strip off your skin some natural essential oils that come naturally with your skin. So the toner comes in to balance it off, to balance off the pH of your skin, to tighten those pores such that no impurities from the environment or from around you that gets in. Okay, there's a chicken that doesn't want us to do this skincare thingy. Anyway, thank you for subscribing to my channel. If you haven't subscribed, please subscribe to my channel, okay? Please subscribe to my channel for more of such videos on skincare. So our first toner is the apple cider vinegar toner. It's called the ACV toner. And in this one, you need apple cider vinegar, 1 tablespoonful of apple cider vinegar. And it is an amazing astringent, thus protect your skin from bacteria and other impurities. So it's amazing also for acne-prone skin. And to this vinegar, you add 2 tablespoonfuls of purified water. You see the water that you get to drink in your household, you can use that one. Or if you don't have that, I can show you how to make purified water in another video, okay? Just don't use tap water because it destroys the purpose of the toner, okay? So our second toner is the cucumber juice toner, and I have talked about this one before in my updated 2020 skincare routine. And this is an amazing toner. One, first of all, because it can be used for either skin, dry skin or oily skin or normal skin. For dry skin, it is good because it hydrates your skin, it moisturizes your skin, and it soothes the irritated skin. All right. For oily skin, how this works is that it regulates sebum and shrinks your pores. Okay, so there isn't much secretion of oil. And if your skin is damaged, maybe by eczema or any other skin condition, cucumber water or juice nourishes your skin. All right. So once you're done grating your cucumber or blending it, you use either a towel, a clean towel, or such a bag that can penetrate water. These normal bags that we use, do we call them porous or what? I'm not sure. Just use it to squeeze the juice out of your grated cucumber. And that juice is what you're going to use as a toner. You can store it in the fridge for about 7 days. And the way you apply it is just, you can use a cotton pad to just apply it to your face. Or you can put it on a spray bottle and evenly spray it on your face. Okay? Yeah, so that's our amazing cucumber juice. And the best thing about cucumber juice is that you can use it in different kinds of toners. You can add different things to it. You can add mint to it. You can add rose water to it. You can add honey to it. There are so many variations that you can use to just suit your skin. All right. So instead of just throwing away the waste or the sieves, you can use them on your puffed eyes to reduce puffiness or dark under eyes. Okay, just squeeze it gently under your eyes and bam, you're good. Our third toner is cucumber juice plus honey toner. That's for regular skin. And all you need is 1 teaspoon of honey, and then to it you add 4 tablespoons of, oh my, oops. Okay, so 4 tablespoonfuls of cucumber juice to 1 tablespoon of honey. All right. So for our fourth toner, it's for oily skin, and this you'll mix cucumber juice plus tomato or carrot juice plus lemon juice. Okay, so what you need is 4 tablespoonfuls of cucumber juice in a bowl. Okay, and then you need 1 tablespoonful of lemon juice, 1 tablespoon of lemon juice, and then you need 2 tablespoons of tomato juice. And I said you can also use carrot juice. I just didn't have a blender, so you can blend your carrot and have that, or you can grate your tomato and get 2 tablespoonfuls of the juice of your tomato. And I have talked about so many times about the benefits of tomato on your skin. Tomato is amazing as a toner because it shrinks your pores, and it is rich in vitamin C, so it has anti-aging properties, and it also helps to fight sun damage. All right, and yeah, so once you mix the 3 ingredients like that, you sieve them into another bowl just to get rid of the seeds and everything. Put them in your freezer mold, okay, the ice cube mold thingy, and freeze them. Then you can use those frozen cubes on your face. It gives you this cooling effect and it's amazing. Or you can just apply it using cotton pad as usual if you don't have the time to wait for them to freeze. Okay, don't mind using them the way they are. So once you freeze them, they'll be something like this, and you can use them under your eyes for dark eyes and puffy eyes, and it just feels amazing on your skin. All right, thank me later. Don't forget to subscribe. Okay, thank you. So our toner number 5 is an oil-based toner, and this one is mostly for dry skin, and you need half a tablespoonful of vegetable oil. You can use any vegetable oil that you have. It can be castor oil, it can be olive oil, and I used canola oil. And then you need 1 teaspoonful of lemon juice, and then you need 1 tablespoonful of honey. So all you need to do is apply it on your face with a cotton pad, and then leave it on for about 10 minutes before you wash it off. Okay, simple like that. All right, yeah, thank you. Okay, our last toner, which is the lemon aloe vera toner for all skin types, and it's amazing. So you need a fresh aloe vera leaf, okay, and then you trim the sides that are picky only on the part where you're using, and then the rest you can wrap it up with a cling foil and store it in the fridge for up to 2 weeks. So having done that, the rest you just use a knife to cut through the middle of the leaf to get the gel. And aloe vera gel is amazing. Okay, it's an amazing toner because it tightens your skin, it brightens your skin, and it prevents acne breakouts. And you can apply the aloe gel before a moisturizer. Okay, so the next ingredient you need is lemon. You need a tablespoonful of lemon juice to go together with the aloe vera gel. And yeah, you just apply it on your face and wait a few minutes, like 10 minutes to 15 minutes before you just wash it off. Or you can just leave it on for your entire day as you go about your business and wash it off as you take a shower. All right, it's really slimy and somehow hard to apply, but be persistent and it will pay off. It's an amazing feeling. So if you have come to this part, it means you have watched to the end, and I really appreciate it. And yeah, I hope you like what you saw and you're going to try it out. Let me know down below in the comment what you think of it, and any other recommendation of videos you would want to see on my channel regarding skincare. I would like to hear your suggestions. Okay, and again, if you haven't subscribed, this is the time to hit that red button over there, over there, over there, wherever the subscribe button is, please make sure to subscribe, and see you on my next video. Okay, bye guys.